In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appeal policy decisions through the Ads and Extensions table in Google Ads. This is an essential guide for anyone who's ever faced the frustration of having their ads disapproved. Understanding how to navigate this process smoothly can save you a lot of time and ensure that your campaigns run without unnecessary hitches. So let's dive right in to make this process as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to start by going to Google Ads, where you can effectively manage your online advertising campaigns. Simply enter the Google Ads URL in your browser and you'll be at the home page, the starting point for accessing all necessary features. Next, it's time to sign in. Look for the sign in button, which should be prominently displayed on the home page. Once you click that, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your information ready, as you'll need to be logged in to proceed further into the account management tools. After successfully logging in, head directly to the Google Ads home. This is your central hub for managing your campaigns and accessing various tools. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with its layout if you haven't done so already, as there are many useful sections you'll be utilizing. Now it's time to access the tools you'll need for managing your appeals. Look for the Tools menu on your dashboard. Clicking on this will open up several options related to the optimization and troubleshooting of your campaigns. This menu is essential for making adjustments to your ad strategies. Within the Tools menu, you'll want to click on Troubleshooting. This option is designed to help you address any issues with your ads, including those pesky policy concerns that might be preventing your ads from running as intended. Once you're in the troubleshooting section, locate and click on the Policy Manager. This is where you can view details about policy decisions related to your ads. The Policy Manager provides a comprehensive overview of any issues, which is crucial if you're aiming to submit an accurate appeal. Finally, you'll see an appeal option within the Policy Manager. Click on this to initiate the process of appealing a policy decision. Make sure to have all relevant information and justifications ready, as you'll need to provide clear reasons for why you believe the decision should be reconsidered. Once you've submitted your appeal, keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding the status of your request. And that's it. You've now learned how to navigate through Google Ads to appeal a policy decision effectively. Understanding these steps can help smooth any bumps in your advertising journey, ensuring your campaigns are up and running again in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on maximizing your online advertising potential.